breaking news coming in indicates that Rwot, Onen David Acana, the paramount chief of Acholi chiefdom, has forwarded the plight or the predicament of the people who allegedly suffered from sexual violence. And these people are, again, shockingly men who are involved or who have been attacked through forceful gay. That is, gay is a sexual interest on the same man. That is homosexuality, but only to men. So this development is coming after Onen David presented this before the Prime Minister, Robert Nabanja, and he requested them to be helped as soon as possible, because he said these people are saying their harness has been ruptured, they cannot sit, they cannot work, and their age relatively are above 40 years old. Rwot Onen David Acana also said these people had this incident happen onto them around the 90s.
The problems that I would request and recommend that they should be worked upon are support for war victims, like children born in captivity and their mothers, victims of sexual assault, especially the male ones. Right Honorable Prime Minister, it is disheartening to believe that at this time in our lives we have people who have been raped, and these are men who are still living in very wanting conditions. 2 months ago I met them. I even wrote a letter to the President in that effect. These are old men now because they were raped in the period of between 1987 and 1992. They are unable to take care of their medical bills now. And very annoying is that these people cannot work, they cannot do anything substantively for their lives. Because they told me that because of their ruptured harness, they have to spend most of the time sitting, have been lying down instead of sitting. And these are people who seem to have been forgotten, and yet the people I met are over 40, and I believe there are so many others. So I would request your office and the government to look seriously into the problem, or to give support to more victims. I know there is a bill, or I don't know what happened, there is something in Parliament, I don't know whether it has been passed or not, which should have given a leeway for help for these victims. I would also request that there should be a mass mobilization on mindset change and other issues that retards progress and development.
Saying in 90s to the prime ministers, predictably maybe due to during the war, could be the reason as to why or what is referring to. Any other development we are going to closely monitor as we look at this plight of the people who suffered from this. As you already heard him revealing that these people reveal that they cannot work because they cannot work or sit because their harness has already been ruptured, and they really need dire help. Quick response from the Prime Minister of Uganda, that is Robert Nabanja. So this is a shocking development and a breaking news that all the Acholi has their attention captured to. In case of any slight update, we will not make you miss. So please stay subscribed. Thank you.